Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to Yumson. If you're new here, I make DIY, makeover or bullet journaling videos here. If you're interested in those, consider subscribing. Today we are going to create some jewelry for Pakistan's Independence Day. So let's get started. Before we jump into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn the notification bell on so you'll get notified about my future videos. The first one is this amazing tassel necklace. For this one, we have to make some tassels. First, take my handy tassel making tool. If you want to know how I make this tool, check out my other tassel earring videos. Link is in the I button above. I use this silk embroidery thread in Pakistan green color. Just wrap the thread around for almost 15 to 18 times. Tie a knot around its head. Slip the tassel onto a jump ring, close the jump ring, trim the edges from the tail of the tassel. I made almost 16 to 17 tassels for this necklace. I also need a chain around 12 inch long, or you can measure it around your neck for a perfect fit. And a lobster clasp hook with some extension chain and jump ring to connect them. You can find these items in any store who deals with jewelry making stuff, or these are also available online. Links are in the description box down below. The very thing you have to do is to join the chain to the clasp with the help of jump ring and then close the chain. Fold it properly to find the center of the chain and place the first tassel there. Then start placing the tassel around it. I place 8 tassels on either side of my first tassel, which make a total of 17 tassels. I also trim the tailed edges of the tassel to make them equal. And it's done! These earrings are the most simplest and easiest of all. For this one, you need these cotton embroidery thread. I like this pastel green color. Just remove these paper wrap, take some of the thread, tie a knot in the center, fold that in half and wrap the thread around its head to complete the tassel. Trim the tail and comb the tassel to make it fluffy. Then, using a jump ring, join the tassel to the earring hook. I also add a bead in the jump ring as I only have these big size jump ring and it's complete. For the bangles, first we have to make these 3-layer tassels. For this, you have to make 3 separate tassels. The method is same as the tassel in the previous one, but these are a little bit shorter in length, so I just use half of the thread for one tassel. You need 2 green and 1 white color tassel. Then, using an embroidery thread and a yarn needle, sew them together, alternating colors. You will also need these plastic bangle base, or you can use some of your old bangles. First, I start with wrapping this cotton embroidery thread in Pakistan green color around the bangles base. Start with gluing the starting end to the inner side of the bangle and wrap it all around the bangle. When I reach near the end, I tie the tassel which I previously make with the thread on the bangle. And continue to cover the base with green thread and also cover the tassels thread. Then I took some of the white thread, wrap it around diagonally over the green with gap between them. And in the gaps, I place embroidery mirrors. To partner this bangle, I also wrap one of the thinner bangle in white thread and together they look like Pakistan's flag. So if you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and comment down below what do you think how they turned out, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.